How do I look today on here? Yeah, same thing. I have to kind of be sideways. So if I go over here, it gets kind of dark. Can't really see me. Oh, is it? Oh yeah, you could kind of see me well. Well, good afternoon, or evening, or morning, depending on when you're watching this. And I want to talk about supplements today. Earlier I talked about supplements, but it was like an Instagram story, which was like 15 seconds. So, building muscle or building your body doesn't end at the gym. You have to do these three things, okay? One, eat. Make sure you're eating enough and have enough protein. I recommend 1.2 grams of protein minimum. Like requirement is 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, but that's minimum. You don't want to be minimum in anything. Okay, that's one thing you got to do. Second is you want to have enough sleep. All right, meaning you want to rest well. When you're well rested, well, the phone almost fell. When you're well rested, you get to recover better, and your muscles recover. So that's how you start building the muscle fast, is with good sleep. Okay, so that's number 2. Get adequate sleep. Research shows us that 6 to 8 hours of sleep is optimal, depending, on your body preference or your own type of sleep preference. But 6 to 8 is optimal. Under that, you have cognitive problems. Over that, you get cognitive problems because the research that I read was on sleep and its connection to cognitive capabilities. Because I was trying to become the best student that I could be at UCLA. So that's why I did that research. I wanted to know how much sleep how much sleep I needed to work optimally. So now, that's 2. Number 3 is the supplements, the main thing that I want to talk about today. And there's different supplements that will help you out for different things in your body, right? Supplements help out with certain benefits. They all have different benefits. That's the word I wanted to use. They have different benefits. So, a multivitamin is going to help you in multiple ways, right? Cognitive, your blood, and skin. The vitamin A, vitamin E. Cognitive with the fish oils. Fish oils also help with recovery. With the blood, you get the B12s, right? And energy, breaking down the carbohydrates. So that's why multivitamins have many benefits, okay? That's for your body function. Now, BCAAs help you with muscle retention. So, say you're not eating that much, right? Your body needs branched-chain amino acids. It needs protein. And if you don't have any protein in your body, guess where it's going to go? Your muscles. It's going to go to the muscle. So you want to have BCAAs in your body if you're losing weight. But if you're not losing weight, you're building muscle, you're going to be at a surplus. But you want to make sure you're eating enough protein, right? Because you don't want to have just carbs and fat. You will build muscle, but not optimally, because the building block for muscle is the protein. So get your weight and multiply it times 1.2, and that's how much protein you should be eating a day, okay? I eat around 170 to 200. Sometimes 200 is the high, but at least I eat 170. I weigh 145 pounds. So that's a lot. It's a lot of protein. Okay? Now, what's another supplement? Lysine. Lysine helps you rebuild your muscles immediately. So this works in conjunction with leucine, that's a part of the branched chain amino acid. Have optimal levels of that, your body's recovering as fast as humanly possible, right? But maybe not humanly possible, because steroids, I don't know much about steroids. I don't do them. Like, my reason is because I got in shape to feel good about myself. I didn't get in shape to have the largest muscles. So that's what you want to have, huge muscles. So I don't even look into that. So yeah, and you probably don't either. That's why you're here, because you're just trying to be fit, trying to look aesthetic. You want to be in shape. You want to be healthy, right? So that's leucine. In addition to BCAAs, you want to take that. And then next one I want to recommend is creatine. Creatine fills up your muscles with water, and the more water you have, the more weight you can push, the more reps you can do, your muscle endurance increases. Okay, that's why I recommend creatine. Now, the next one I want to recommend is glutamine at night. Glutamine helps you recover fast, and it boosts up your immune system. Every time you go to the gym, you tear down the body, so you one have to rebuild. 2, your immune system drops. Immediately after you work out, your immune system drops a little bit. So if you do that for prolonged days, amount of time, your immune system does break down. So not break down, but it does decrease, and you want to get glutamine in your body. Okay, these are all natural. These are supplements that you have, that your body uses. Hence the word supplement. So yeah. So those are the main ones I recommend. So I went over multivitamins, fish oils, BCAAs, lysine, and glutamine. So that's 5. So I'm gonna see if anyone's gonna hop on before I close out this live. I'm gonna look for a better spot to put the camera, because the sun is right behind me, so like I look like I'm a celestial being. But yeah, and the what's this called? The graphics don't look that good. So I hope you like these tips. There's 3 major tips that I went over, and then there's 5 supplements I went over. So 1, 3 major tips. Make sure you rest, you get enough sleep. Make sure you eat enough protein and you're at a caloric surplus. And 3, you take supplements. Okay? All this stuff happens outside of the gym. And the 5 supplements I went over: multivitamin, fish oil, BCAAs, lysine, and glutamine. So apply this and be consistent. Do it every day so you start seeing results. If you don't do it consistently, you won't see results. Okay? So do this and you'll get results. Alright. Hope you like this. Have a great day.